Today I'm talking about the vision of the New Year. People think that there are many, many New Years. There isn't. You think 1991 is another New Year, 1902, another year, another year. There is no New Year if you are not new. If you become new, there is a New Year. If you are old man, the same person as you were before, there is no New Year. Because the New Year is the time when you are new. And how you become new? You make yourself a new person. From old person that you were, you make yourself a new person. And this is the greatest effort that you must exercise to make yourself new. When you make yourself new, everything becomes new, including the New Year, the year. Because time is eternity. There is no New Year week or month. That's a human hallucination. It's time, eternal time. A period of time becomes a New Year when you awake suddenly. See, most of us are sleeping under heavy blanket of glamours and illusions, deceptions, self-image, cheating each other, many vanities and egos. We are sleeping under these heavy blankets. When we awake, things become new, including the year. A year starts for us. And maybe when the year starts, it becomes always new for you until you pass away, if you are awake. But if you are sleeping, there is nothing new, there is nothing old. It's a matter of consciousness. It's a matter of attitude. So try to make yourself new so that you celebrate the New Year.